Michael is a little boy who loves toys. One day, he went with his parents on a tour of a toy factory. When they arrive at the factory, the workers show them how toys are made. Michael was very passionate about the process of making toys and decided to help the workers. He started by collecting toy parts and putting them in boxes. He also helped assemblers assemble toys and glue their parts. He learned about the importance of making quality toys and following of security. The factory workers told him that the toys had to be safe for children and fit all quality standards. Michael learned that you need to make quality toys and monitor safety. He also learned that toys can be made from recycled materials such as plastic bottles and that this helps conserve nature's resources. One day, when Michael was helping workers collect toys, he noticed that one of toys was broken. He showed it to the worker and asked what will happen to her. The worker replied that she should be thrown away as she does not meet quality standards. Max decided not to agree with this and asked the worker to give him this toy. He took her home and began to repair her. He used his knowledge and this knowledge he received at the factory and restored the toy. When he returned to the factory, he showed the toy to the workers. They were surprised and amazed that he was able to fix it. The workers asked Michael to show them how to did it, and Michael was happy to tell and show them. After that, Michael began to visit the toy factory more often and help the workers. Over time, he became an expert in repairing broken toys and helping make them better and safer. Michael learned how to make quality toys. Michael also learned that broken toys can be fixed and reused instead of throwing them away. Michael understood that you won't throw out a toy that you made yourself, and you will treat it with care.